Hi everyone, and today I'm going to take a look at this. This is the Rode, I'll just get it zoomed in a bit, the Rode Filmmaker by the Australian mic company, by Rode. And I'm not sure, yeah, it's the Filmmaker Kit, wireless audio system. And we're just going to do a little unboxing video. This is a wireless transmitter receiver. See in here I have a range up to 100 meters. AA battery power or USB, 3-level gain, microphone included, 128-bit encrypted signal, and Series 2 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission. So this is just a little unboxing video to see what we get with this kit. So just bear with me. So let's have a look, see what we get. There's a lot of sticky tape. I don't want to destroy the box, so this I don't know what it retails for you, but I got it for £280 or so. I don't know what that is in dollars, but there are two boxes inside. So the receiver and the transmitter unit that goes on the belt. Now put that aside. What do we got here? Quick start guide. We're going to be looking at that at another time on how to set it up and give a wee review on it. But for now, we just want to see what we've got. So I'm just going to open this up. Actually, we'll just set this aside for a minute. I'll just open this one box up to see what we have. You can take your time, be a bit more gentle. It says there void. Obviously I've voided the warranty, but I don't know how that would work. How do you know if it's damaged until you open it up? I wouldn't believe any of that rubbish. So inside it's pretty well packed. So nothing else inside that. Actual transmitter. I'll get a look at that again. Don't really know how it works, but so I'll have to get a good read at the manual. And here's the cable for going from this receiver unit. This is just sit on top of your camera, and that bit will sit on top of your shoe, your camera shoe or your mic shoe. I will tap and screw on, so probably just into here and then into your camera port or your mic port in your camera. Again, a quick start guide and a little bit of silica gel. Don't eat it. So we'll just set that aside for a moment and get a look at what's in the other box. So this is the transmitter, the back belt pack transmitter. Same sort of thing to get into it. And we've tore the box a little bit. We don't care, we're not really leaving it back because we need it. So similar sort of packaging this time for the transmitter. I'll get a look at what that is in a minute. And inside we've got a little case for the microphone, and I guess, yeah, that'll be like a little belt start there, and quick start guide, and again the obligatory silica gel. Put that back in. So I'll just open this up so you can see. It's a nice wee sort of leatherette pouch from Rode here. And inside we've got a cable. I guess that's the tiny mic there. It's very hard to see. Yeah, where are we at? There we go. But I guess that's the mic. And then there should be a windshield or something in here. Yeah, we've got a dead cat windshield for probably outside. And a little lapel clip for clipping on. I'm surprised there's not a foam shield in here too. I would have thought, yeah, there is. It's tiny, so the camera's not focusing very well there, but not a little windshield there. That's probably the tidier of them, so that'll just, I guess, fit on there some way. Yeah, so it's not really screw on, it's sort of screw and push at the same time. This opens up, so that's the little foam windshield. And I'm guessing you could probably, no, you have to take it off. I thought you could just put it over that, but it looks to be you have to take this foam one off to put this dead cat type one on. So that's everything for what you get with the Rode Filmmaker Kit. I'll just lay it out here a little bit so you can see it. So that's the Rode, that's everything. Next time we'll put the batteries in it, get it up and going, pair the channels, things like that, and do a wee test run at some distance and see how it picks up and what the sound quality is like. Until then, see you